Gauss-Seidel method is used to solve the following equations, and we have to solve it as per the given order. Now we have to assume that the initial guess x1 is equal to x2 is equal to x3 and that is equal to 0. Now the value of x3 after the first iteration is, so we need to find x3 after first iteration. So initial guess we are given that we have to assume x1 should be equal to x2 should be equal to x3 and which is equal to 0. So for first iteration we will consider the first equation, that is x1 plus 2x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 5. Now we will substitute x2 is equal to 0 and x3 is equal to 0. So we get x1 is equal to 5. Now we substitute. Now we will put x1 is equal to 5 in the second equation and x3 will be equal to 0. Therefore, from here, if we put this in the second equation, that is 2x1 plus 3x2 plus x3 is equal to 1, we get x3 is 0, x1 is 5, 10, so x2 will be equal to, therefore x2 we will get from here is minus 3. Now the final equation is the 3x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 is equal to 3. So put x1 is equal to 5, that we have got from this first substitution. From second substitution we have got x2 is equal to minus 3. Therefore we will put this value in the equation 3x1 plus 2x2 plus x3 equal to 3. So if we substitute it here, we get x3 is equal to minus 6, which we needed to find in this problem. Okay, and as I have already mentioned, do not arrange this in increasing or decreasing order, or do not arrange it diagonally. Okay, so the value of x3 after first iteration is minus 6. For more information on Gauss-Seidel method, you can refer to the NPTEL course Gauss-Seidel method on computational techniques by Dr. Niket Kesari of the Department of Chemical Engineering at IIT Madras.